Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set password on any app in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and you want to set password to any app, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Play Store app to install a third party app. For this, you go for search, and here in the search for app lock pro, you search for this and then you must have to open the app. Here's the app. You must have to install it. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. Now wait for its installation. Then will have a simple setup. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app. Here, first of all, you have to create a pin or passcode which you want. Here, create a 6-digit pin, but you can easily change it from here. Just tap on it, and here you can easily set a pattern, 6-digit pin, 4-digit pin, or no code. I'm going to select pattern from here. Select OK, and here just create a pattern which you want, just like this. Then select create. Then verify your pattern. Then select save. So after that, just enable some permissions, set understood, then select permit, and here select allow to app lock pro, then select permit, and here select allow, then permit again, and here allow permission. You must have to enable it, and here you can see we have set policy. Now just select the apps which you want to lock. I'm going to select camera from here. You'll get all of your locked app here. Just select the lock section, and here you will easily get your locked apps. You can easily unlock if you want. And the settings, YouTube, with the music. So that's how you can easily set password on any app in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.